Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to eject external hard drive on Mac. To safely eject your external hard drive, use USB flash drive or SD card before physically disconnected, and here's how. 1. Use the menu bar. Select your external drive, then click File, then Eject from the top menu. 2. Use Finder. Open Finder and locate your drive and click Eject next to its name. And finally, you can use Trash. On your desktop, drag the external drive icon into the trash. If you see an error like the disk wasn't ejected, check if files from the drive are open or in use. The drive is engaged by a running program. Close any files or apps using the drive, then try again. Safely ejecting prevents data loss or drive damage. Once ejected, disconnect the drive physically, and then there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.